Attention, seniors.
Well, here we are again.
So this is Rydell.
Hey, so what'd you do all summer, Danny, huh?
What did you do this summer, Sandy? Oh, I spent most of it at the beach.
Oh, I just love the first day of school, don't you?
Come on, you don't want to hear all the horny details.
Are you kidding me?
Are you? Sandy!
You're right. I